National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Atascosa County until 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:41 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Charlotte, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, up to ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pleasanton, Jordanton, Charlotte, Christine, Coffin, Dabrowski, McCoy, and Davis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Austin, San Antonio. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:50
let me turn this down. So, what's going on? We got some severe weather down south of here, and then we've also got a storm over in the hill country. There was one issued for Frio County and Atascosa County at about 5 a.m. this morning, so it woke me up. And I had about 4 radios go off. This one was on display. So, yeah. And then there was something that there was also a warning that went off that I wasn't aware of because I was down here with no radios. And at 5:30 here.
It's 4:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 12 miles northwest of Frio Town, or 15 miles northeast of Batesville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible with this storm.
I'd say that's approaching severe.
Locations impacted include Hondo, Sabin, L&D, Hannes. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office in Austin, San Antonio. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
So, yeah, and I was unaware of it, but they issued a severe thunderstorm warning they issued another one at 5:30, and I was down here, I didn't hear it. I came here to try and watch the weather, but you don't have the Weather Channel on Sling TV, so yeah.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Atascosa County until 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:41 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Charlotte, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Got 3 in here now. So, yeah. Sorry I missed those first 2. I think the tornado is going to develop with the first one because there's actually a hook coming down from it. So, yeah. Because there's a hook coming down from it. So if there was going to be a tornado that would form, it would most likely be in that hook. Because here's the main storm here, and then you got this hook, like just coming down here. This is where the tornado would be, if one were to even form.
Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Karnes County, east central Atascosa County, southwestern Wilson County until 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southwest of Post, moving east at 35 miles per hour. hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carn City, Kosciuszko, Fall City, Sestahawa, Hobson, Paulville, Boyceville, and Santa Maria. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
So usually if you know that storms are going to go on, you want to be careful around the time that they're about to expire, because that's usually when they're going to renew them. Actually, they usually renew them before they expire. The one that was issued before this one was supposed to expire at 6/15, but they renewed it before then. Are you sure you want to go out there? God, it's cold out there. It's only 58 degrees out here. Look how dark it is out here still. Here, let's come out here. Let's see. I hope the chickens are gonna be okay. One of those storms was actually heading our way. When it was first issued, it was heading like northeast, like towards us northeast. Alright. I don't know if you saw that just now, but there was lightning. I'm gonna go inside, it's too cold. It's not even that bad, but it's enough to make me shake. So let me see how many we have in here now. 2, 3. Okay, we still have 3. It's probably the way it's gonna stay for a while, unless they issue like a tornado warning. I thought a tornado would have formed with that first one, the one that they just renewed. I don't know. I don't know why I always have like a big discussion after like each alert. It's always the way it is with child abduction emergencies. You guys know I do that with child abduction emergencies. I just turn into a big discussion about what I was doing and, you know, what the heck happened. And also that one flash flood warning that I got eastern counties in. I went in there too. I need to stop doing that. You know, this is supposed to be like just an alert and then that's it. I mean, yeah. Cowboys are going against the Longhorns. You know who I want to win. Actually, I don't care who wins. I like the Longhorns, but my parents like the Cowboys. So, yeah. Stay tuned for more.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Douglas County, Northeastern Karnes County, South Central Gonzales County, East Central Wilson County, until 7:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:42 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sestahawa, or near Kosciuszko, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Yorktown, Kosciuszko, Sestahawa, Gillette, Cotton Patch, Greenough, New Davie, Eclito, Paulville, Helena, and Santa Maria. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Austin, San Antonio. This is a special weather statement.